Hey, what's going on guys? Miller Berry here and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can grow your Twitter follower for free. Because on last video, I introduced you to Manage Twitter and it's still the tool that I'm using and I highly recommend you do that. But it does require a monthly subscription. But I recently just discovered another tool that you can use for free. And before we go on to the topic, on this channel, I'm going to be showing you or teaching you how you can make money online. And we're going to be talking about motivation, mindset, and marketing, because those are the three things that you need to have or you need to do in order for you to be a successful online entrepreneur. And if you're interested on those type of topic, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below this video and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified on the latest videos that I upload. Alright, so let's go on to the topic. So on Twitter, right, so like I mentioned before in a previous video, in Twitter, for you to grow your Twitter follower is that you apply the law of reciprocity, which means that I follow you and you follow me back. So that's how you're going to grow your Twitter followers, especially when you're starting out, when you don't have that influence yet. So this is the app that I just mentioned. So it's a Google Chrome extension. So what you need to do first is go to Google Chrome and then you search for Twitter follower. And you're going to be looking for this red icon, right? So I just installed this already on my Google Chrome, and as you can see here that I already installed it in my Chrome, right? So before we start using the app, I want you to we're gonna first change the options, right? So if you click the options, you're gonna be going here, right? So if your Twitter is fairly new, I suggest you start with 100 or 200 a day, right? Because Twitter is going to be alarmed, right? Because you're new and then you just followed a bunch of people. So I suggest you do 200, then you gradually increase that to a maximum of 1,000 a day, right? So that's the maximum you can follow in a day. So we're going to set here 200. And then I want you to click on this icon because it says you skip protected accounts while following, because we don't want to follow people whose account is protected, meaning they kind of close or kind of private the account, so they're not really there on Twitter to interact with you or to engage with your content, right? So we don't want them. So that way you really can't generate leads that way. So we want to skip people who has their account protected. And then we want to click here, use the build advanced condition to follow. So we want them to have a profile image, meaning they're really active in Twitter, and then they're really serious in using Twitter, right? And then we're gonna need a bio, and then we don't care where they are and their URL. So there's save our option. All right, so we're back here on my Twitter account. So where are we going to find people to follow us, like your follow source, right? So for me, I target network marketers and online marketers and other entrepreneurs. So basically, you're gonna think about who are the entrepreneurs following. So right now, like I have T Harv Eker, right? Because people that are following T Harv Eker are basically people that are interested in in finances, right? Making money, extra money, being financial free, and all those sort of stuff. So this is our best follow source. All right. So here are the people that you want to follow, right? Because I think they're gonna be interested in in what you have to offer, or for me, what they have to offer. So we're gonna click here and click follow, right? And now we're gonna wait for the system to start. So now it's following 2, 3. So basically, it's gonna sort out. It's gonna sort out the followers. So and then you can just leave this and then do something else, right? So and there you go. You can definitely use this app every single day, and it's really good. And I really love it. I hope you get value from this video. If you do, let me know on the comment section down below. So Miller Betty here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.